Enjoy a lifetime of reliable heating and cooking with a Heco cookstove from DS Stoves. Every feature is carefully designed to provide superior performance. The 520 series is our largest cookstove that burns wood or anthracite. There's plenty of controlled heat to cook any meal and keep your home cozy, up to 2,500 square feet. The 520 series cookstove includes lots of convenient standard features. A warming shelf. A DS hot air draft regulator helps you easily maintain the temperature you want. An air wash control that provides a constant flow of air to produce a better fire and cleaner glass. And the easy access cleanout simplifies routine maintenance. Customize your stove with several options, including solid or glass doors. 3 different stovetop options. 3-panel porcelain. 3-panel polished steel, or solid polished steel. A summer grate. A warming closet to keep your cooked food ready to serve. And there's always plenty of hot water available, thanks to the optional 22-gallon water reservoir. Our 420 series is the smaller of our 2 wood or anthracite burning cookstoves, providing heat for up to 2,000 square feet. It's the perfect size for most homes. Like the 520 series, the 420 cookstove includes standard features such as a DS hot air regulator, air wash control, and easy access cleanout. Optional glass or solid oven doors are available, as well as your choice of 3 different stovetop options. Heco cookstoves are designed for both oven baking and stovetop cooking. They're easy to operate and easy to maintain. Heco is the highest quality cookstove you can buy, built by master craftsmen in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Every model is designed for durability, guaranteeing you a lifetime of reliable heating and cooking.